So I got just a couple packages to tease stuff that's coming up for today's stream. It's nothing really exciting. But I really like having this opportunity to share the things I'm getting in and out of the studio and kind of experimenting with you guys and things like that. So let me grab the boxes here real quick. All right, so we're going to do a fun one first before we do a content-related one. Let's switch on over to Shabammo. I really need to reposition this camera so it's more pointed at the box and not my keyboard, because I can only push up my keyboard so far. But this is another pre-order run from Limited Run Games. I honestly don't know what is in this one because I have ordered way too much from them right now, but I don't get a lot of opportunities to talk about games lately. And so I want to share that. Actually, I do have another opportunity, or I did have another opportunity to talk about games that I want to share with you before today's stream is over. So let me get this open and I will show you what's going on. Oh, hey, okay. So this is one of those, whenever they do a bunch of specific releases at one time, they will do bundles of it so that you don't have to compete as harshly for the limited run nature of the limited runs. And so this was like, oh, I'm dropping stuff already. This was like the spring 2021 bundle or whatever. And they are always just like loosely thrown in here. It's kind of frustrating. But this is, we've got Neon City Riders on PS4 here, which looks like a lot of fun. And then we have the CD soundtrack for it. We have The Last Blade 2 as well on PS4. We have all of their trading cards, which I'm amazed never get destroyed in the packaging, given that they don't protect them in any way. I don't really have anything to do with them at the moment. We've got the vinyl soundtrack for Neon City Riders. This cover is sick. Oh, man. That is awesome. And then we've got The Last Blade 2 in this classic Neo Geo case, which is glorious. Big O case here. So secondly, I wanted to mention that I have picked up a Sennheiser HMD 26, which is one of their broadcast headsets, and it's one that actually sounds incredible. The issue is it's extremely expensive. Something I discovered with it is when you buy it, it does not come with the audio ins attached, or at least this one that was supposedly brand new from Canada I bought did not. And so I had to buy some soldering stuff so I can attach a Nutric or whatever XLR connector as well as the 1/4 inch headphone jack to it. And so that is what is in here in this box. I switched to the wrong camera, but honestly this view is kind of fine. Where did my knife go? Here it is. So in this box, we also have Jason Schreier's book, Press Reset. I haven't picked it up yet. Interested to check it out. I've got... Oh, this doesn't even have the soldering stuff in it, so I don't have that yet. But I am finally finishing my Unraid server setup, and for that, I needed these USB-powered... They're basically just standard 120mm fans, but I figured out you could buy them with USB power and these rubber grommets designed to go in entertainment center cabinets or whatever. And I'm strapping these to the door of my server rack to push more air through the server. They're supposedly pretty quiet, so I'm pretty stoked for that. But then also I got some soldering, some blank XLR and 1/4 inch headphone ends for that headset.